Hi everyone, I hope everyone's doing well. I'm recording a quick video on the student engagement gradebook that has been created by the technology department. Just want to quickly show you how this will work and how you can log the level of engagement your student has had over this distance learning up until this point. When you log into Aries, here's a standard Aries screen. You've got your gradebook on the left side here. We are creating this gradebook for you, and so you'll see this rolling out for each of your periods. If you're elementary, you'll just have one. For secondary teachers, you'll have one for every period. If you look, you've got your normal gradebooks, but we'll have the student engagement gradebook. And on this gradebook, it will allow you to log your level of student engagement for each of your students quickly, as quickly as we could figure out how to do it. So this gradebook will have just one assignment at this point, and it's a Likert scale, similar to a rubric. You will just simply click into the field and give a student a score of 1, 2, or 3. 1 has been 0 engagement. Student has been not turned in any work. Possibly you haven't talked to them or communicated with them at all. So essentially has not been present in the distance learning at all. A level 2 will be, yes, communication has been going on with the student. Possibly they've turned in 1 or 2 assignments, but the percentage is basically moderately or somewhat engaged with the online learning. And then finally, a 3 will be mostly or pretty much fully engaged with the online learning. The student's been, logging into the Zooms on a regular basis. If you've had those, they've been communicating Google Classroom via email, Parent Square. You know that they're there trying to do the work. They may not have turned in every assignment, but for the most part are fully engaged in the online process. So if that's the case, you enter a 3 and a 2 here, and I'm just going to use the down arrow to make this quick. 1 for Jason, 2, 3, simple as that. You're going to want to give a score for every one of your students, and as soon as the scores are in, you do not have to hit grading completed, but you do want to have a score for every student. Now to switch to the next, I'm simply going to go to period 2, student engagement for video production here. As I jump in here, now I'm going to do the same thing again and give my student scores. This is really the best way for us to know, has the student been involved? If we simply went off of grades, we're not sure if a student previously had a B and they now have a B. Does that mean that they've been doing work, or simply that's the continuation of their grade? Thank you so much for taking this time. This will greatly assist us in knowing what kids have been active in this online learning experience and how many of the students are we still missing so we can provide services. All right, I hope everyone's well.